Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is some incredibly stylish smart home rolling shades. So this was sent over by a company called Beasen Home. And these things are gonna really elevate the style of your windows in your home. They absolutely are premium and look really, really nice, but you can install them yourself. You don't need an electrician. You don't need to hire anybody special. They install within 10 to 15 minutes. Really, really cool setup. So let's go ahead and talk about that install, because that is obviously one of the big points that I loved about it, because I didn't need to hire anybody. I can easily do this myself. And like I said, it installs very, very easy. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna basically measure your window. You're gonna measure the width and the length of it. You're gonna plug in those numbers in their very easy to use website. And it's gonna give you all the various shade options. So as far as the mounting options, you're gonna be able to mount it from inside to inside, or you can mount it on the exterior. It's basically whatever aesthetic look you want. For me, it gave up absolutely perfect clean install. As you can see, by having the valance here mounted on the inside of my window, it just goes perfectly flush with the trim. It's all white. It looks absolutely amazing as far as that install. Now, as far as your top valance, once again, you're gonna also get custom options. I went with just a powder-coated solid metal valance to blend in nice and smoothly. If you have your own existing curtain system, you can basically choose not to get this, or you can even have it match the fabric. So you've got plenty of, once again, plenty of options to go through and make that custom look for your personal house. So it looks like you've basically hired a professional to come through and install these shades, but you did it yourself, which is absolutely great. Now, as far as after it's all hooked up, like I said, the install, you're simply gonna get this little L bracket, and depending on, once again, your setup, for me, I just simply mounted it straight into the top. It does include the hardware and also the anchors. I mounted into wood, so it was super easy for me, but if you're running in sheetrock, you can do that. It includes those anchors. You can also mount it into the horizontal surface, if you will. So it's very, very flexible as far as mounting. You can even mount it into the ceiling as you wish. So whatever your setup, the bracket's gonna work great for you. You're simply gonna wanna position it about 4 inches from the edge frame, so that way it's nice and balanced. They even give you a nice little template that you can utilize. I didn't actually even need this because the setup was so easy. Now, you're gonna get obviously a ton of user manuals here that's gonna basically help you with the various installs. So you're gonna get a quick installation guide. And like I said, it only takes 10 to 15 minutes to install this yourself. You're also gonna get basically a quick startup guide, and you're gonna get a remote programming, and then also a smart home guide, which we're gonna go over here in a minute of those features. But as far as, now you may be saying, well, I don't have a way to power these. No problem. These things are battery powered. So you don't need to have basically any electrical running. You don't have to run any wires or anything like that. They have a nice, on the right-hand side, they have a nice little USB-C little plug, and you're gonna be able to charge up that battery. The battery's gonna last a long time on these shades, so it's not like you're charging these up every week or anything like that. Obviously, the battery life's gonna last depending on how often you're going up and down, but you're easily gonna get a month out of them. It's gonna come with this super nice long cable. It's a USB to USB Type-C cable. So if you do have like an outlet low, you can just run this cable to that, charge them up. Once they're fully charged, you're good to go again until they need it again the next time. Now, if you're not near an outlet and you have one of those power banks, those also are really nice. You can simply plug it in and charge them via that way. But if you don't even want to do with that, and you want to go with just basically kind of nature, they do have this extra little add-on, which is this super thin solar panel. As you can see here, it's just very, very thin. And so you can mount this up here in the corner of your window. It has some 3M sticky tape, and then you just simply plug it in that way, and then this will keep your shades nice and charged, so you don't ever have to worry about manually plugging them in. Just make sure you're putting this where it's getting obviously sunlight. You don't want to put it where it's like really dirty or completely in the shade, because then it's obviously not charging up, but works very, very well as far as powering up your shades themselves. It's very quiet when operating, very, very customized. And we're gonna have 3 different ways as far as lowering them and adjusting them. First off, you're gonna have the remote control. So here is nice, stylish remote control. Comes with the hardware. You can mount it by the window if you wish. Simply press the up and down arrows and they will start to lower all the way down. If you wish to stop it at any point, easy, just press the little button in the middle and you can continue on your various way. But you'll notice very smooth as far as the lowering. Also very quiet. I'm sitting here right next to it. It's not very loud at all. Once again, part of that premium aspect. You'll also notice once it gets kind of towards the bottom, it will slow down and just kind of go right into that perfect position. Now, right out of the box, I didn't have to adjust these at all. They absolutely fit my window just as I measured them. However, in the instructions in the quick setup, if you need to tweak this, it does tell you how to do that as far as doing that adjustment. Absolutely very easy. Now you can see I have a nice white shade here. You're gonna be able to get multiple colors, multiple options, multiple styles that you want. For this particular window, I wanted a 50% openness, so that way I could still kind of see out, still let a little bit of light in, but it also helps me with my energy bills in the summer, helps keep that heat from just blaring through the window, and also keeps that cold out, which I absolutely love. But if you're in a bedroom setup, maybe you want a blackout situation, and so you want to black out all light, you can do that. It's up to you at how you want to get your setup. And so now we're talking about, like we were saying, the controls here of them, very, very easy to utilize. But if you don't want to just use as controls, you can go ahead and use smart home devices out there, for example, like Alexa, and then you can simply say, hey, living room shade, office shade, I want open, set it, or, you know, closed, and just use your voice. Really will blow your friends and family's minds that you can simply control all your shades throughout the house, especially if you're doing like a movie time or something like that. Really, really cool feature. Great having those smart home just integrations in them. Now, as far as the fabric itself, it's a nice quality fabric. It's not gonna tear or anything like that. It looks very, very premium, looks absolutely great. The bottom part of it is a nice metal piece down here, so you don't have to worry about fraying or anything like that. Very easy to clean and keep looking nice. And I'm just really, really impressed with the premium look of it. And then as far as the rolling, I have it where it's rolling on the outside, so it lines up with my frame. You can also have it roll towards the window. So once again, like I can't stress enough, it's very, very customizable to your style and your look, but you can easily install it yourself in your home. So if you are looking to upgrade your home to where it has this nice premium shade look, really impress your friends with the smart home features, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.